Did you know that most Amazon sellers fail because customers cannot simply find their products on Amazon? Remember, Amazon has over 350 million products globally, and customers mostly only purchase products on the first page of the main keyword, which basically means if your product does not contain the right keywords, it's literally invisible on Amazon. There is a right way to find out which keywords you need to include in your listing to support indexing and ranking. Let's get to work. So why are keywords so important on Amazon? Amazon is essentially a search engine for products. When customers log in, they type in a particular keyword for a product that they're searching for, and essentially Amazon shows them products that are relevant to those keywords. Now, here are some important numbers to mention. 63% of searches actually start on Amazon and not on Google. Number two, Amazon literally processes billions of searches every single month across its 23 markets. And like I said earlier, most customers only purchase products that appear on the first page of the search results. So essentially, if you do not appear, you are literally invisible. Important. If your product is not ranking or indexed for the right keywords, essentially it will not show up when customers are searching for it. So keywords help you determine, number one, your organic ranking. Yes, this is a slow process, but it's very important. Number two, your ad visibility. And number three, of course, your visibility through search results. Okay, so now this is all clear. The question is, where do you get these keywords? This is the mistake and problem that most new sellers face. And the typical mistakes are, number one, they just guess keywords. Number two, they might just copy random keywords that they see in their competitors' listings. And number three, because there's no formula behind it, they might end up choosing low search, low intent keywords. So as an example, a seller might write in their title, premium stainless steel water bottle, whereas customers are searching for insulated water bottle, gym water bottle. I know they're very similar to each other, but they're not the same. So Amazon might not index or rank your product for the keywords that customers are using. So that's essentially what we need to do. We need to figure out what are customers using to find your product so that you can add these keywords into your listing, index for them, and then rank for them as well. Introducing Helium 10. This is the proper way that I would recommend for you to actually find keywords based on data and not just guessing. If you watch videos on this channel, you've probably heard of the term Helium 10 or of the tool Helium 10. As we talk about it all the time, Helium 10 is one of the most used tools for sellers, specifically Amazon sellers, but it is also available for sellers in UAE and KSA, and that's why we recommend it. Now, in this case, we're going to be utilizing Helium 10 to find actually keywords that customers are using with good, high quality search volume. We can also show our competitors' keywords and analyze the competitors' keywords. You can also analyze your ranking and indexing for particular keywords if you are already launched and selling on Amazon. All of this data is very important to help you figure out what you need to do in terms of improving your keywords and essentially improving your visibility. Now, I have a full complete tutorial about Helium 10. I will link it in the description box of this video so that you can go ahead and watch it. But if you want to use Helium 10, obviously this is a paid tool, but guess what? The Amazon Sellers Society provides you a 20% discount, which is a fantastic discount on Helium 10 because of our partnership with Helium 10. You also are able to subscribe to Helium 10 using the link in the description box of this video. Now, before I get started with method number one, in case this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal from the Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We support sellers on Amazon in the UAE, KSA, Egypt, as well as Turkey, and we are proud to say that we are an Amazon certified partner as well as an Amazon ads agency based in Dubai. If you want help and support with listing your very first product, or if you want help and support with starting on Amazon, we've got the right programs to assist you. please go ahead to our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. Find a lot of free resources and also check out our programs and book a call with the team to discover how we can help you. Inside Helium 10, and as you can see, I selected in the products Cerebro plus Magnet, as this is the tool that I need in order to find the keywords like I explained. Now, what I did was, first of all, I selected find keywords because that's what we want to do. I selected the marketplace. In this case, I selected Amazon UAE, and I selected a seed keyword. So as an example, I utilized water bottle as a seed keyword, and I clicked on get keywords, and within seconds, I got a lot of information. First and foremost, I got information around the main keyword that I used, which is water bottle, that has a search volume, a great search volume of 2,988 searches. Quite good. But let's assess, is this the main keyword or can I use something else? And as you can see, Helium 10 has provided me a lot of keywords that are directly related to the seed keyword so that I can figure out whether or not this could be the right keyword. And the keywords range between the actual English language as well as Arabic as well. Now, because search volume is the main criteria for me, I'm going to click here because I want highest to lowest. Now, as you notice, water is obviously very much related to the keyword. However, water is not relevant. You can put your mouse on top of the word water, and then you can figure out what are the products that show up for that keyword. Water 1.5 liter, also probably not related, but you understand what I mean. Branded words like Owala, which is a brand, also wouldn't be something that you would want to add into your title and bullet points, as this is a brand. It looks like actually the seed keyword water bottle is probably the highest ranking, but there are other keywords like water bottle for kids, if that makes sense for you. Some protein shaker bottle, if you are also vying to sell something similar to this. Copper water bottle, if that is, if your product is made of copper for sure. But a glass bottle, a tumbler, most of them don't have a very high search volume. Stainless steel water bottle, but still you want to add multiple keywords. Some of them are going to have high quality or high number of search volume. Other ones are not going to be. Once you go through the entirety of the list, then you can come up with high quality keywords. Of course, you want to avoid keywords that have a little bit less than 300 search volume, as they would be considered too low. Now that you have all of the information about the keywords, how many keywords should you use, but potentially where should you use them? Depending on which marketplace you're selling in, this is very vital, because the bigger the marketplace, the more population it serves, obviously the more keywords you're going to find. In a market like the UAE, you're probably going to find anywhere between 5 to 10 high-ranking keywords with good quality search volume for each product. I don't think you're going to find anything more than that. Similarly, probably in Saudi Arabia as well. But in marketplaces like US, you might be able to find almost 100 keywords for your particular product with good quality search volume. That's because the population of the US is almost 330 million people versus around 10 million in the UAE, so it's only logical. With that being said, the keywords that you harvest from Helium 10 should be added, especially the highest quality keywords, into your title, bullet points, product description, and you can also add them into your back-end keywords. And if you're really interested, or if you're really confident with those keywords, you can also immediately create manual targeting campaigns and utilize them in your ads. My final tip for this video, number 1, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss information related to selling on Amazon and specifically in the Middle East. Number 2, when selecting keywords, make sure you choose keywords with high search volume, keywords that are relevant to your product, and potentially keywords that might have low competition. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.